Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Good question. Let me tell you a short story. Many years ago, India was ruled by the British. They made many unfair rules for Indians. Brave leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel fought for freedom. Gandhiji taught us to fight without violence. People all over India joined the freedom fight.
God, thank you for the gift of this new day. Guidance steps help us to learn with joy and give us the strength to be kind and respectful to one another all that we do. Amen. Let's take a moment to listen and some thoughtful words. In the present day, soldiers love for the country is commendable. As a rule of their country, it is willing to do anything for it is known as patriotism. The freedom fighters didn't think about their own life but about the country. Every person should love their country. It is marked with silent sometimes violent protest. Patriotism is a feeling of loyal devotion and support for one's country. Hills and rivers, far and wide, Atlantis sea, I lend a hand. I care for every grain of sand. A shine in my land, I do what's right. With honest heart and future bright. I stand for peace, I stand for truth. In India's life, as proud of you. I follow rules, I speak with grace, and spread some joy in every place. I help the weak, I keep it clean. This short powerful skit titled The Spirit of Tricolor shows that true patriotism is not just about shouting slogans, but is found in our daily actions, respect for the country, and helping our fellow citizens. Titled The Spirit of Tricolor. Characters: Arav, a student who thinks patriotism is just waving the flag on holidays. Rohan, a student who wants to leave his country for an easier life. Pooja, a thoughtful student who loves her country. Three historical figures: Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and Bharat Mata. Scene 1. The modern classroom. How can you say that, guys? A country does not become great just by magic. It becomes great because of its people. We face problems, but yes, running away won't fix them. Do you even know the cost of the freedom we are enjoying right now? History lessons, Pooja. That was in the past. What does it do with us today? Scene 2. The Voices of the Past. Dear children, freedom is not free. It was bought with the blood, sweat,
Tell me loudly. Eh? What is the special assembly topic? Patriotism. Say all of you. Patriotism मतलब क्या है? What's the meaning? देशभक्ति. Is it correct? Yes. Do you have देशभक्ति? देश के लिए भक्ति होना है. Yeah, we should love our country. Yes. Our young students have beautifully expressed the spirit of patriotism, love for our country, and pride in being Indians. What's the name of our country? Yes, very good. Yeah, dear children of standard third C. Your performance reminded us that patriotism is not only about loving our nation with words, but also about being responsible, disciplined, kind, and helpful citizens. Your enthusiasm, confidence, and beautiful expression have truly motivated